What's up, Jerry gang? I'm vlogging today. We're going to Santa Cruz. I don't even know. Hold on. Hey y'all. I don't really vlog, but you know, we getting back into the vlogging life. So yeah, Jerry gang. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Let me show y'all my outfit real quick. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's my outfit. And right now we're about to go get some change so we can have money for some illegal substances. So yeah. But yeah, we lit today. We lit. I'm gonna try to vlog the whole day or whatever, so stay tuned. We're here, y'all. Finally. No, this took hella hours. Not even hella hours. It took a lot of years. Don't mark my trifling toes, y'all. It's so warm. The sand? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Ann. Say hi to YouTube. Wow. Wow. We're playing chicken, y'all. Come on. Step up. Step up. And how they out there? Step up. Can't feel my toes, guys. Can't feel them. What? I can't feel my toes. We get so close! I'm scared! It didn't pass yet. It didn't pass yet. Okay, step up. I can't feel my toes. Why you almost make me whip this? Step up. Winning! I'm about to win this shit. We about to be out here, you know what I'm saying? No, Team Jerry gang. Step up. Jerry gang, we about to. Wait, your thing's stuck on my feet. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh, my God! Ah! Oh, my God! You know we can go deep because they all the way over there and they spinning, so. But I'm not going that far, so step up! Step up, Tanner. No, I'm just sweating. Why? I bet you everybody looking at me. I'm about to pee on myself, bro. This looks dangerous. What'd you say, Diana? Over yonder? Oh, it's not that big. That wasn't that big. That wasn't that big. Come on, Why we hella trying? We some big ass kids, bro. Oh, that's big. She said, wow, that was really disrespectful. I don't like the taste. Oh, what's the bigger one coming? Is this mascara? Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. There's crabs here? I remember. What did you need to say? Yeah. Crabs, baby. Y'all go closer. Oh my God. You gotta go closer. Get the water. Oh! Sorry, that hit my kneecap. You should be right here to get the big wave. Oh, this is drunk. Right here. Oh, it's coming. It's in my banana. Wasn't expecting that. No, it's one after it. Oh, no, not really. Oh, it does sparkly though. That's because the reflection of the sun. What? Ooh, hold my feet down. What? Oh, is that one? Oh, shit, bitch! Is that one? No, keep like in my mouth, in the mouth. That was big. Oh my gosh. Got in my mouth. That wasn't me.
I'ma pull up, just step out and skirt. Everybody know what's up. Ride on. Crown in my cup, cause you only live once. Feel the vibes on it.